Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to ask the integrated AI to summarize a text in the Journal app. Just go to the app and then you will have to find your document you would like to work with, create or select a page, and then here in the toolbar you can see this AI button. Click on it and then click on Summarize. Wait a few seconds and then here is a nice summary of my text. We can recreate it or we can copy it, so it's really useful. I hope it will be helpful for you and have a nice day.